This unit is create reports and dashboards. This is the, what are we up to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th unit on the Build a Battle Station app project, part of the Admin Intermediate Trail. My name is Jeff Alhadeff. You're welcome to join me as I work my way through this unit. If I come across something that seems tricky, I'll link to it in the description below if I figured it out. And otherwise, so you could, if you want, you could just jump straight to those if I come across something, or you just listen to me ramble. Okay, create reports and dashboards. What you'll do, we'll create a report for supply costs and create a dashboard to display costs. Create a report. Bosses love reports. It's a fact. A report in Salesforce is a list of records that meet the criteria you define. It's displayed in Salesforce in rows and columns and can be filtered, grouped, or displayed in a graphical chart. You'll create a report to monitor your supply costs for each battle station being constructed. Click the perpetually solved gray Rubik's Cube and select Battle Station Construction app, then click the Reports tab. Well, I'm already here, so I'll just go straight to Reports. Click New Report, ... button. I don't see ... Select report types. Expand the other reports folder, select Battle Station with supplies, and click Continue. Okay, got it. If you haven't been following along, I named my battle station Get Out of Egypt because I thought it would be cool if there was like an Exodus from Egypt battle station, like a mashup between like the Ten Commandments and Star Wars. Whatever. Next to battle station, click Edit. Under optional features, check Allow Reports and click Save. Then go back and create the report. Next to the battle station. Next to the battle station. Did I skip this? Skip this. If you don't see the battle station with supplies report type, go back to the setup and click Object Manager next to battle station. So if you didn't do it the first time, then you have to do it now. I think I did. It was so frothy, I feel like it's all over my face. Okay, search for quantity, unit cost, and total cost fields in the Add Column search, and add them as columns one at a time. Quantity, unit cost. Quantity, unit cost. Okay, so the quantity unit cost, but that's in addition to the columns battle station name, and supply name. How'd those guys get here? The battle station name get here because I created the report, so it included that automatically, and then supply name, because that was the report type I selected. Yeah, I think that must be it. Note, you can also drag the fields from the field pane in the battle station with supplies info folder into columns section. You can also drag the fields from the fields pane. We normally put spaces between graphics. See how this is like, I'm selecting that and it's selecting the graphic too. It shouldn't do that. There should be a space before and after this guy. Okay. Note, you can also drag the fields from the field pane. Where's the field pane? Okay, this is the fields pane. Huh. In the battle station with supplies info folder. Quantity, unit cost, total cost. Gotcha. Okay. I found you. And, okay. In the add group search, enter battle station name, and select battle station name. This will separate the report by individual battle station records. I don't have multiple battle stations. In the add group search, add group search, that's this thing. Battle station name. And I've got them all in that one battle station. And open the menu on the quantity unit cost columns and select summarize, then deselect sum, leave sum as selected for total cost of column. Why is that so? Oh, I just realized this report might look really boring since I only have one battle station. Oh well. Open the menu on the quantity unit cost columns and select summarize. Open the menu. Open the menu. This thing. Yeah. On quantity unit cost columns and select summarize. And select sum, and then deselect sum. I don't know why I'm doing that. Walk through a dark alley at night, feeling your way with your eyes shut. Leave sum as selected for total cost column. Leave sum. Sum. Okay, so deselecting sum takes away the subtotal and total here. And my guess is that the reason that we're supposed to do that is because like the absolute total of the unit costs for each of the supplies is not really relevant, because what matters is how many you have of them. So having that number represented here is sort of, it's misleading. It's like, oh, so the total of all of the unit costs for everything is whatever number I put in there, 2 something. Right? Like, it's just like, okay, that's random. It's irrelevant because it's not multiplying it by the quantity. So I think that's why we don't want it there. Okay. But we're going to leave sum as selected for total cost column because when it comes to total cost, we want to see it. This is going to then multiply unit by quantity and then give us the total. And so this tells us all together what we're looking at. Okay, click save and run. Enter supplies to the report name and click save. Is there a folder we're supposed to save this in? You should see something like the following with subtotals for each battle station. Your boss will love you and certainly give you the rest of the day off. Perhaps even buy you a drink in the cantina. Is that something I'm supposed to know what it is? A wine shop. Okay. I once again display my ignorance for everybody. I'm just going to save it in private folders. Sometimes if there's an assessment like this, they like to make sure that you save your work in the right folder so that way you could find it again. Or that way they could find it. That way Trailhead, when they do your test at the end, they could find it. Okay. Create a dashboard. You can wow the big boss even more by adding a number of reports to a dashboard for quick and easy viewing. Bosses love eye candy. I feel like this is stereotyping. A dashboard is a visual display of key metrics and trends. The relationship between a dashboard component and report is 1-to-1. For each dashboard component, there is a single underlying report. I feel like somebody else wrote this module, wrote this unit. This doesn't feel the same way as the earlier units in this project. Multiple dashboard components can be shown together on a single dashboard page layout, creating a powerful visual display and a way to consume multiple reports that often have a common theme, like number of exhaust ports unsecured, toilet paper usage, per battle station, etc. Important things to know. Click the Dashboards tab. Click the new dashboards. I don't know why are these like 3-dot button. Name the dashboard as construction and click create. Click the plus component button on the top of the page and select the supplies report. Select the vertical bar chart component and click add. Yeah, this is what I was afraid of since I only have one battle station. It just looks like a blue brick of cheese. It's not very interesting. Click the save button and then done. Okay. There we go, folks. Not complicated. You've made a blue brick of cheese. Congratulations. Thanks for watching.